Today, we're talking about the importance of social presence in learning management systems and distance online learning. There are three main components we will focus on today: social presence within the course, cognitive presence, and teaching presence. Richardson and Lowell describe this as how salient the communicators are within the course to how well they're gleaning knowledge, moving from inter-comprehensional skills to intra-comprehensional skills. This dynamic process needs to be intentionally attended to in order to benefit and scaffold the learning process. In fact, Ferenczi and Malak say that not attending to this is the primary reason learners feel disconnected from course content, their peers, their instructor, and possibly why they drop out. Going back to Richardson and Lowenthal's work, they target components of teaching presence. Learning facilitated by all learners, including the instructor, to social presence as they identified the most important criteria to students. The first of which was having clear expectations, using rubric short instructional videos to scaffold expectations, less than 7 minutes, and clarification of deadlines. Secondly, we examined the responsiveness of students. Office hours, communication pathways such as emails, texts, phone calls, return message policies within 24 hours, if you're not able to answer the students immediately. Next, it's important that content is pre-created instead of waiting to the last second to post the work. Finally, students said that feedback needed to be prompt and generated from specific guidelines and expectations. When these needs are addressed and the students feel that human connection, it supports engagement and interactivity of peers within the course. When looking at our last area of focus, we concentrate on criteria of cognitive presence. Research states that having clear and predictable structures within a course is important, generating opportunities to activate previous knowledge that provide authentic learning experiences and reflection, creating assignment choice, promoting goal setting, and peer feedback are strong components to consider when designing courses. The cost of not attending to these components within an LMS or remote online course leads to high dropout rates, no application of knowledge, feeling of loneliness, and no depth of the learning process. Educators need to be trained and coached on this importance, while institutions set guidelines as check and balances to ensure greater satisfaction to the people we serve as learners.